Hello, this is Katrina Hofstetter from Cornerstone Legal, and we are going to talk about some common estate planning questions that might be keeping you up at night. Thinking about estate planning is probably not at the top of your list, but setting up a solid estate plan is really going to provide you with the asset protection, probate avoidance, and incapacity planning that will help you rest easy at night. There are quite a few common estate planning questions that clients bring to me, and I'm only going to cover a couple of them here in this video. You can always read the blog that will be linked in the video to get all of the questions. One of the most common questions that I get is, are my assets actually protected from probate? And that obviously can lead to a lot of anxiety. And you're not the only one that thinks this. Even if you have an estate plan, it's possible that your assets might not actually be protected from probate. It's important to know that your assets don't automatically have protection. You need to make sure that all of your assets are either held jointly with your spouse or somehow connected to your estate plan. Another common question is, are my estate planning documents actually executed properly? And this is also a common worry. And it's important to make sure that you understand what the proper execution looks like for your state. Now, if you already have estate planning documents in place, you can always review them to see if they are properly executed. One of the common forms of execution for a will in Michigan is that you need to sign it, date it, and have it witnessed by two individuals. A third common question is, do I need to actually update my documents? And this is something that does get overlooked often. It's important to make sure that your documents are current so that they are able to be carried out properly and your wishes are honored. Now, we recommend that our clients review their documents every 3 years, but you could have some life changes that would trigger the need for a review sooner. Some of those life changes can include marriage, divorce, maybe the death of a spouse, death of a beneficiary, or you might have a significant change in your assets. So it is important to review them. Whether or not you actually need to update the documents is going to depend on your specific circumstances. The last common question that we're going to talk about in this video is, will my minor children be taken care of if I pass away? And as a parent, this is a really big worry for myself. And, if something were to happen to me, I would want to make sure that my boys were taken care of. This can also be a really tough topic to talk about. So planning ahead is really, really crucial for your guardian. Now, making sure that you have guardians appointed in your estate planning documents is really that first step. But then leaving instructions for those guardians is a really important follow-up step to make sure that those guardians know what your personal wishes are. Don't forget to check out the full blog for the answers to the other common estate planning questions. Thanks for watching. Call us at 517-708-2222 or email Katrina@cornerstonelegalpllc.com to start your journey today.